5 shopping days left until Christmas. The biggest conundrum isn't what to buy, but who will be able to see. Omicron is now the dominant variant across most of the country, and cases are doubling every few days. With scientists warning infections could hit 2 million a day by the new year, the Health Secretary offered no guarantees we won't have to spend Christmas in lockdown again.
We will look at this data, we will take into account other factors and then decide whether further action is needed or not.
It has led talking sooner rather than later, they say.
Look,
you must act sooner rather.
They are, and I understand that, and there's a point there about, you know, if you wait until data is absolutely perfect, it may well be too late.
Today, Wembley Stadium was centre stage in the showdown between vaccines and virus, one of many temporary centres around the country. More than 900,000 top-up jabs were administered in England, Scotland and Northern Ireland yesterday, a new record. Scientists say the booster offers the best protection, but those getting their jab this morning won't get the full benefits until after New Year's Eve. In the meantime, we're daily breaking COVID records, and the NHS is under increasing pressure.
It's a different pressure this time. So the pressure is the sickness levels in staff. So many of our staff are also positive with the new variant. Many of them are contacts of people with the new variant. So therefore our workforce is depleted right now.
The British Medical Association says 50,000 could be off sick with COVID by Christmas Day. And scientists say something similar could be mirrored across society.
The concern is if we're going to have so many people who are infected, this means enormous numbers of people who are isolating, and that's when things start to grind to a halt. You know, that's when not just the hospitals don't work, but, you know, food doesn't get delivered, the bins don't get emptied.
London's mayor says extra restrictions like social distancing and limiting households from mixing are inevitable. If he's right, the question is when, and will people listen?
If it really keeps getting worse, I guess that's why it has to be done. So I guess I'm okay with it.
The knowledge that they have is more than the knowledge I have about it, so I would go with the flow.
Does the restriction apply to the government as well, or is it just to everyone else? Would be my question.
As scientists and ministers wait for more data to make their decision, we wait to find out whether we'll be lonely this Christmas again. Martin Stew, ITV News.